So guys, welcome back to the channel, Anonymous Sushi. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to make a Futomaki Roll. But it's like the giant sushi roll you guys always see. Seaweed on the outside with a bunch of stuff in the inside. So it can be always from pickled vegetables, pickled radish, to a cooked fish or raw fish, depending whatever it being. So I'm gonna be using both raw fish and cooked fish. Okay, so today I'll be using a little bit of bluefin tuna that I have. Okay, some stuff for the inside, some pickled radish, egg, tamago, cucumber, daikon cress, and a crab meat. And then I'm going to be using a little bit of shrimp that I have cooking right now. Okay. Yeah, so once you guys have all these ingredients prepped, it's easy to make right away. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys how to make that. Okay, so I have half a sheet of nori. Alright guys, so normally we have our seaweed facing us horizontally. This time we want it vertical. Okay, I'm going to spread my rice down as usual. So this one's, of course, this is going to be a little bit different of a roll. So I'm going to show you guys how to make this. Okay, so I'm going to put all my rice on the seaweed as normal as usual. But instead of covering the whole thing, I'm only going to cover actually about a little bit more than 3/4. So I'm going to leave about 1.5 inches on top of empty space here. Okay, so as you can see, just like that, leave a little empty space. Okay, and we're going to simply put this on our bamboo rolling mat now, alright? Okay, we're going to put it in. We're going to just simply now put our ingredients in, guys. Okay, so I'm going to start with my tuna. A little bit of tuna. It's okay if it sticks out. We can, cut it later and make it look prettier and nicer. Okay, so tuna, cucumber. I'm gonna put a little bit of cucumber inside. So this, like I said, this is pretty much has just everything inside. Okay, so some pickled radish, crab meat, okay, put a little bit more crab meat. A little bit of daikon sprouts. Yeah, I'm gonna put in my shrimp tempura. So like I said, this just has a lot inside, very delicious stuff. Okay, and then now to top everything off, a piece of tamago. Okay guys, so once I have that, as usual, I'm gonna just make my roll now. Okay, start from the bottom, roll our way up. Okay, and we're gonna tighten the sushi roll. Once we tighten it, lift up, roll up, squeeze, repeat. Okay, that should be it. And give or take, yeah guys, this is what a futomaki is though. It's one of those like giant sushi rolls. Okay, really good, really delicious. Okay, now to cut, I'm going to cut this into 6 pieces, okay? So starting in the middle, and then we're gonna cut it into thirds. Okay, so cut it in the middle. Clean my knife. Okay, so 1 cut. 2 cuts. Okay guys, and that's it, yeah. So let me show you guys how beautiful the sushi roll is. Ooh, look at that guys. Beautiful, right? Okay, normally we would put in pickled gourd or maybe gobo, which is a I forgot what the name of that is. Gobo. I'll link it in the description below. I'm sorry, man. I kind of had a brain fart at the moment, but yeah. But yeah, guys, this is what it is, give or take. Futomaki roll. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys did, please click down, like and subscribe. and I will, you know, give you guys a little close-up of this. Okay, guys? So guys, look at that. Futomaki, delicious. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys did, you know, okay, alright. And so for the close-up, guys, let's see how it looks. Ooh, look at that. And guys, I don't know, you know, how does it look? You tell me.